Hi, I'm Brenda Watson. Do you know the 5 worst foods for your gut? I'm going to tell you, but take a second to think about it. Then watch this whole video and comment below to let me know if you've guessed them. Also, in this quick video, I'm going to tell you what to eat instead of those 5 worst foods. It's easier to change your food habits than you think. So let's get you out of your rut and dive in. First up on the worst foods list, ultra-processed foods. That means things like packaged snacks, frozen meals, and instant noodles. According to the CDC, people 1 year and older get about 55% of their daily calories from ultra-processed foods. You may have some favorites in this category, but let's start phasing them out. These foods are low in fiber and loaded with preservatives and additives that disrupt the delicate balance of bacteria in your gut. Plus, did you know that some food companies design these products to light up your dopamine reward center? On top of that, many are engineered to hit the perfect bliss point. That's the exact mix of salt, sugar, and fat that lights up your brain's reward center and keeps you craving more. So what should you eat instead? Try simple, home-cooked meals made with whole ingredients. Even a basic stir-fry or soup with real veggies and whole grains is better than something from a microwave box. I'm a firm believer in meal prep because it means you always have healthy food on hand when you're short on time or just too tired after a long day. Number 2, sugar. I'm sure this is no surprise, especially the kind hiding in sodas, candy, and pastries. Sugar feeds harmful gut bacteria and yeast, leading to inflammation and a condition called dysbiosis. That's when the bad bugs outweigh the good ones. Plus, you have to watch starchy carbs because they turn to sugar in the body. A healthier swap is fresh fruit, especially blackberries and raspberries or Granny Smith apples. They're naturally low in sugar, and it's amazing how sweet they taste once you've detoxed from added sugar. Number 3 might surprise you, artificial sweeteners. Think aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, those 0-calorie options in diet sodas and sugar-free snacks. Some studies suggest they can disrupt gut bacteria and even affect blood sugar response, which is kind of the opposite of what they're supposed to do. Instead, try stevia or monk fruit in small amounts. They're more natural, and your gut might tolerate them better. Coming in at number 4, alcohol. I know many of you find this disappointing, but whether it's wine, beer, or cocktails, alcohol can damage your gut lining, contribute to leaky gut, and reduce levels of beneficial bacteria. Sorry. And mocktails aren't always a better option either. They can be loaded with sugar. I actually have some good low sugar recipes I can share if you drop me a comment below. Other smart swaps are sparkling water with lemon, kombucha, just watch the sugar, or calming herbal teas. If you want to enjoy a glass of white wine or maybe a small amount of vodka or tequila on occasion, I won't slap your hand. Fun fact though, according to a recent Gallup poll, only 54% of U.S. adults report drinking alcohol. That's down from 58% in 2024. So you can always join the non-drinking trend and take this extra sugar out completely. So what's left? Well, number 5 is processed and fast food meats. Bacon, hot dogs, fast food burgers, and especially lunch meat. They're often packed with saturated fat, nitrates, and preservatives that fuel inflammation and mess with your gut flora. And don't get fooled by nitrate-free products. They may still be high in salt, fat, or other preservatives. Instead, choose seafood, grass-fed, or lean meats. I recommend real chicken, beef, turkey, and pork. And I also like plant-based proteins like tofu and tempeh. Just steer clear of plant-based meats since those are highly processed. I always say, build meals at home where you can control the ingredients. And remember, your gut does more than just digest food. It supports your immune system, your mood, even your brain health. So if you're feeling off, tired, or just not yourself, it might be time to make a few healthier swaps. Cut back on the gut offenders, add more real whole foods, and notice how your body responds. So, did you guess the 5 worst foods? Drop a comment to let me know if you got them all, or share the biggest change you're making this week. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and grab my list of the 5 worst foods for gut health, plus some easy swaps down below.